Today we are here, Typhoon Lagoon water park. Welcome. Oh my God! Over there is nothing. Oh shit! Here so strong. Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Hitting my face. This is crazy. Oh. Lazy liver time with my sister-in-law family.
Guys, we are going to Typhoon Lagoon Disney Water Park. Yeah.
Mommy driving.
Anyway, see you there.
Take the exit, then take a slight right turn onto East Buena Vista Drive.
We're almost there.
Use the right lane to take a slight right turn onto East Buena Vista Drive.
Today we are here. What is the water park name?
Typhoon Lagoon Water Park.
Today we are here, Typhoon Lagoon water park. Welcome. Let's go. Okay. The wavy? 와, 안 돼. 씨, 무서워.
I've been in the 5 feet before. I wasn't
step
scared at
down.
all.
No, that's the 6-foot base wave.
We need to go inside there. Let's go, come here. Because too much rain.
Okay, though,
Like rain or stop. Rain, stop. Rain.
Sold out. Umbrella. Smells so good. I bet they do have funnel cake. Yeah, chichipong. I smell like a funnel cake, and she said funnel cake too.
I love the lake river.
Ooh, this is a huge lazy river.
Steak if there's a place to eat right there.
Okay, South Shore, North Shore, where you want to go?
Not sure.
North Shore? Yep, that one, make right. Do they have a surfing that one? North Shore?
I have no idea.
Oh, you have no idea. Let me. What, 엄마? Make sure she's not going anywhere. Where you want to sit down? Stay with them. Make sure together. It's okay. She figure out, mommy. My mother-in-law want to go water. Look at that. Woo! Woo! Ah! Slowly, slowly. Not too bad. This is not too cold. Slowly, slowly. Mommy, you can sit down too. Oh, yeah, it's okay.
I can
That's true.
I can
How you gonna get out? Yup, yup, yup.
I will
Where the kids go?
Nothing, they will go to
Ah, they go out? Okay. Hopefully they get the other slide thing. Oh my God. Uh-huh. They say so cute. Oh my God. That over there is nothing. Oh, shit, here is so strong. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Hitting my face. This is crazy. Oh. Make sure Felix found the mommy and everything. The wave was so strong. Oh, did you sit up? Oh. Okay, okay. That is a strong wavy. Share, are you kidding me? Are you home? How much was it? Not bad. Not bad. Ooh. You always do that, right? After Christmas, you got the Christmas stuff, right?
Not allowed to buy anymore after Christmas.
Lazy labor time with my sister-in-law family. Okay, how big is it?
Or you can call him
Oh.
after we go around.
Uh-huh.
Tell him to come here and then we give him this.
Oh, we can give it to mommy, daddy. I do mommy for your brother. Yeah, we can do that. So did they fun today?
Yes.
With your cousins?
They got me a straw.
I know. Am I paying for you?
I never got to eat.
Hold on. Oh, okay. Take the picture.
You need the churro, that's your fault.
What do you mean? Hold on. Is that?
Did they buy you churro?
Where is the exit? Over there?
Where? We'll just dust it off
Bye bye.
with a towel.
Towel. Yep.
Okay, there.
Okay, awesome.
The slide was awesome. You don't have to carry it.
Dwarfs roller coaster at Magic Kingdom.
Okay,
We are.
tomorrow? Okay.
And then what else?
Make sure there is not scary one. Mom,
They said there's
okay,
there's some-
not me. Only you and the daddy.
They said it's a roller coaster. Then it might be scary.
Bye bye.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.